what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from fashion to hair to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. I'm back for video number 2. And if you haven't seen the fox eye trim video, I will link that in the description box below and on the iCard somewhere on the screen. But today I'm going to show you guys a second part of this eye look, which includes my favorite mascara combinations. All the pinks, I love it. All right, before we get into it, guys, I want to tell you that you don't need all 3 of these products. I highly recommend definitely these 2 combined together, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, the mascara, and then the Lash Sensational serum. This is like my new favorite mascara combo. It makes my lashes look out of this world, and I'll get up close so you guys can see it. It gives me the closest to falsies I feel like that any mascara that I've tried thus far can do. Yeah, so let's get into the footage.
All right, we're gonna start layering with the Lash Sensational Boost Serum. On this eye here, I'm going to do all 3 products, and then on the other eye, I'm just gonna do the 2 Maybelline products so you guys can see the difference where you don't actually have to have all 3. But with this serum, I really like it because sometimes when I wear it alone, you can see that it looks like I have on mascara, even if I don't. It gives a nice kind of clear mascara look, and it also acts as a great primer.
Just give you a quick rundown on the products. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the color S400, which is the blackest black. This mascara, when you purchase it, it usually takes me like a month before I actually like the consistency of the formula. So I would say if you don't like it the first couple of tries, just give it a month. I usually keep my mascaras for 3 to 6 months. And then I purchased a new one, but I like the wand on this one, and once the formula gets a little sticky, I really like it. It's also great by itself. Next is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and this, I don't know what color it is, but I believe it's the blackest black as well, whatever the darkest black they have. I love the wand on this one. I love the formula. I love this right out of the container. I didn't have to wait to see the results of the formula.
And as you can see with all 3 products on this one eye, it really gives kind of that extreme, still natural, it doesn't look like a falsie, but it definitely gives you extreme borderline spider lashes. But I actually like a thick, full, bold eyelash look. And so now I'm just going to clean up under my eye. But as I said before, you don't have to use all 3 products. So on this eye over here, I'm just going to show you guys the 2 Maybelline products that are to be paired together. I'm going back in with that Maybelline Sensational mascara, and just I really cannot stress enough how much I love this one, because it kind of has like that comb effect. So it's combing through your lashes and making sure that the mascara gets from the ruta to the tuta, all the way from the roots to the tips, and I really like that. It's not as spidery as using the 3 mascaras, which is a duh, because if you're layering more products, of course it's going to be thicker. But I like both looks, and I honestly, you don't have to have all 3 products again, but I just like how it looks. Look at these lashes, girls, like from 0 to hero. I love it.
I'll use the serum first. I use it day and night. So in the morning I put it on after I wash my face, and then I apply my mascara if I'm wearing mascara. If I'm not even wearing mascara, it kind of looks like I have on a clear mascara, so I like this for that. If you want this by itself with any other mascara that you love, I think pairing those 2 together. Some mascara primers are crunchy, and I don't find this one to be like make your lashes stiff or crunchy at all. The cheapest place I found all 3 of these are at Target, so check out your local Target online if you're not trying to get in the stores right now. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will catch you in my next one. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Alright, catch you in my next one. Bye!